What we do every year is that we gather our community to 2 events where we focus on the major release items and provide you with information about what you should be aware of, how it might impact you, and how you can mitigate these impacts.
I came to the event today because I wanted to know about the new release, see what features they're coming up.
We have 5 different modules in SuccessFactors, so it was very relevant for us to hear about the new things
and see which of these implementation notes are actually applicable to us.
Our team have the highest number of professional certifications, in addition to us being the first partner for SuccessFactors in EMEA region. So it's the true experts in SuccessFactors that you'll be meeting.
They have tried it all before, they've seen it all before, so they have this experience, and that's something that you can take advantage of.
What is it that we really need? And in that case we relied really heavily on your consultants to guide us.
We help our customers have peace of mind and go home from work without having too many worries. So we make sure that the systems that we help implement at our customers, that they work both now, in the short term and long term.
Last year I attended a web event, and this year I thought it was a great opportunity to meet you in person.
I find it very valuable to be able to meet other clients in person and discuss issues that we have or solutions.
So what do other customers do, other companies, and how do they get around the challenges that you are facing?
Also important to understand the opportunity that you're being provided by getting insights to these items and understand what kind of value it can bring to your business. This is where the true value is.